What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss about different kind of programs mechanical engineering graduates can do as a postgraduate certificate or postgraduate diploma in Canada. So before starting the discussion, I just wanted to let you know that I have created a website called canadainfo.co. If you have any specific questions regarding study programs, regarding colleges, regarding universities, or regarding your PR inquiry, feel free to add on the Ask Me Question tab on the website. Just add your questions and add as much detail as possible, and I'll try to reply as early as I can. I usually check all the questions once every week. So go on the website and add your questions there. Let's discuss the different programs you can do as a mechanical engineering graduate. Guys, the programs we are going to discuss today are mostly related to mechanical engineering management. So if there are people who would like to shift their career from technical field to a bit on management side, probably these programs are for them. Again, there is no any kind of high strict rule that you need to select among these programs only. Whatever we are going to discuss today should give you an idea on your interest and on what you want, and it should help you to make a good decision. It is not like some checklist that okay, this program is good for you and this program is good for specific mechanical engineering graduates. Research as much as you can and get as much information as possible in order to make a better decision. The very first program is Quality Engineering Management, which is offered in Lambton College. It is a 2 years program which offers co-op. You will study 2 semesters at first, and then there will be break of 4 months, and after that you will study the rest of the 2 semesters. As the name of the program indicates, quality engineering management mostly involves doing quality checking, inspection, and implementing different kinds of quality techniques on various industrial procedures. The program requires an IELTS band of 6.5 with no less than 6. One of the very good thing about this program is it offers co-op. In order to be eligible for co-op, you need to have GPA of at least 2.8. If you are not eligible for co-op, you will have to do an additional project which includes an extra cost. Once you graduate from this program, you can find different employment opportunities in various positions like quality inspector, quality engineer, quality coordinator, etc. Also guys, you can find links of all these programs in the description below in case you want to directly check it out. Feel free to click on the links and visit the program website. The second program is Engineering Management Program, which is a 2 years program. This program is offered in Ontario Tech Graduate and Postdoctoral Studies. What you are going to study in this program will be very much similar to what students study in a general project management program. The only difference is that in this program you will study more on the technical side, like managing an engineering project, planning an engineering project, operations management of an engineering project, etc. In order to be eligible and apply for this program, you need to have GPA of at least 3.0 in your bachelor's on a scale of 4.3. Or you can say you need to have at least 73% in order to be eligible and apply under this program. The IELTS requirement of this program is you need to have at least 6.5 bands, and of course you need to have a bachelor's degree in any kind of engineering field. The third program is Engineering Business and Safety Management, which is offered in Confederation College. The IELTS requirements under this program is 6.5 bands with no less than 6, and you need to have of course a bachelor's degree in any field of engineering. The cost of this program is almost $17,000, and the graduates from civil, industrial or mechanical field are most preferred in this program. As the name of the program indicates, you will learn different concepts of an engineering and safety management of a project, like managing cost, managing business side of an engineering project, then operations management, then business communications, then health and safety management in an engineering project, then managing human resources, etc. This program also has a work placement learning opportunity, and you can find more details by clicking on the link in the description. Work integrated learning is very much similar to a co-op. Only thing is, oftentimes it is unpaid and sometimes you are just doing a project instead of working for an employer. So you can find more details about all these programs in the description below. Feel free to click on the links and find more details. So I hope guys this video was helpful to you. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. And if you have any specific questions related to this program or any other programs, feel free to add on question box on canadainfo.co website. Bye bye, take care and see you in the next video.